Hi guys. So this is all the stuff that I want to bleach dye right now. So that's the then I have this one that I maybe want to crop. There's like stripes on the sides. I have this Nike one that I never wear. So I have this one from Halso, which is super comfy, but I also never wear. Like this like knitted one. And some black pants that actually used to be blue. I didn't dye them, but they came like that. I'm really interested in seeing how they are going to turn out, so let's go. I really hope I was in frame. Was I in frame? Oh my god. I was not in frame. Great. I can't move them because they're still kind of wet, but back there I have a sweater that I tried first. It's like dark blue. Let's go. Water and bleach in like an old tie-dye bottle. I love the smell. But just remember that I also have gloves. And another refill. And I think I'm gonna wet the blue one. Okay. Hopefully last one. It's been a couple days. I'm just gonna show you what all the clothes look like. So let's start with the most disappointing one because it's on top. These are the pants, and I think you can tell there's like a little bit there. Like there's some very light stains, which is unfortunate and absolutely trash. So that didn't work out, but
yeah, that didn't work out. This
did work out. I think I like it. I'm gonna put everything like on real quick. Bitch, I just did my hair. I think it's kind of cool. Is this cool? I mean, yeah, I think I like it. So that came out pretty good. That was also the one that like it changed like instantly after like 3 minutes. It already changed. It was kind of crazy. That was real quick. Ooh, my shoulders, my shoulders, my shoulders. Oh my god. Oh, I have to pull something. Oh. Ow. This hurts so bad right now. Maybe I will not wear that again. Ah! What the fuck? I did an hour of yoga yesterday. Oh my god, this hurts really bad. This really, really hurts. How did that happen? Well, I think this is like too tight for me. But I think I want to make a crop top out of it. I think this turned out pretty good. Like the arms are too short, that's what I hate about it, but I can like pull them up. And if I make a crop top out of it, I think I would cut the whole pocket off. Is that cool? Do I look cool? I mean, kinda. I don't hate it. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna. I think I'm gonna cut it and make a crop top out of it. So that also worked. I like that this has like splots. I like that more. I think that's pretty good. This one is one of my favorites because it turned out really nice. I really like that it stayed how I squirted it on. And it's like all around like pretty even. I like that. I think I'm actually gonna wear this again. Because I haven't worn that, and I actually wanted to sell all of these clothes online, and I had them listed for a year, I think, and nobody bought them. So now they have new life. Yeah, that looks really cool. I like that. That looks really nice. I like that a lot. That looks really cool. I am really happy with that. That looks really good. I like that a lot. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna show you that real quick. This one's disappointing again because it kind of did change in some areas, as you can see, but in other areas it didn't change at all. And it's like, bitch, decide. Do you wanna like work with it or not? But don't like half-ass it. Like, this is really disappointing. I thought this could be so cool, but maybe I'll re-bleach it, I don't know. I was also thinking about re-bleaching this one because I wanted it to look like clouds, just like Jennas. And I think it kind of worked. I bleached this twice. I think I bleached everything twice, except for this one. Yeah, I did some touch-up on all of these, I think. And especially like the white part, I wanted that to be really white, and I'm maybe gonna bleach it a third time because I really want it to be completely white. But the bottle that I had, I think I filled it up like 4 times, and then I was like, girl, this is kinda a lot, but I actually like what I see. I hated that. But I do. Do you like what you see? I think it's cool, but I think it could get like more white. Like I would really like to have a white cloud here. This is pretty cool. Like the front looks pretty good. I really like how it showed up here. That's pretty good.
Very good.
You can still read what it says. I like that a lot. I think I'm going to get rid of these so that it looks like that. But yeah, I like it. So that was a success. And the last one I'm not 100% sure about. Like, it worked a little bit because it's like knitted or whatever. And it worked a little bit. Like,
You like
there's
me a
some
little
gray
bit?
spots in there. It's alright. But I think it's so interesting how some of it like turns up pink and other parts turn blue. Or like other hoodies turn blue. White. What am I trying to say? I think it's so interesting how some of these turned pink when there was bleach on it and how others turned white. But I guess it has to do with what the original color of the fabric was. So anyway, this is okay. I don't know if I wear it. It's alright. Maybe I'll put a lot more bleach on it so it will turn white. Because there's parts in there that are actually a little white. Maybe I'll re-bleach some of them, but for now, that's that. I'm really happy with the gray and blue one. Like, these are my favorites. I really like those the most. Some of them didn't work, which is unfortunate, but yeah. Now you have the results. My hair looks crazy, I know. So, if you do that, tell me how it went. And good luck. Bye!